Yes, yes.
Manners. That's all that.
Okay. Okay. Yes. You want the phone? Run. New York. Run. New York. The Pokey there. Yeah, man. See? Legendary Pokey people. I have to meet Pokey first. Yeah, man, he might come. Where am I going?
She'll come, yeah.
Yeah, man. Hello, son.
Yeah.
Alright. See you there. You know how long the world I wait for this? Yeah, man, we're good.
You see out of order. Man, look up in that light.
What, man? Go look up in that light, man.
Go
Look up in that light.
Yeah, Daddy.
Look up in that light. Come here. Come here, man. Where you ready to go? Something I understand you. You come out as a run goat there, sir?
You say, oh, Daddy, you see?
You come out as a run goat there, sir? Eh? Say morning.
Sweet.
See me, people. See me. We find the rat. We find the rat.
Oh, this is the list of me here, I can't. Tell me out there that you see.
We find the rat. Black mangoes. Look at your hide. The rat.
Rondie, you know, easy, man. You come with me after the laugh. You look at me camera.
Do you know how long the world I wait for me to say?
What, Rondie? You grow a big belly. You know what, Jack? And so much you have to must just go eat.
Listen, what for your belly big to 40?
That's how I got it.
Yeah, I think you're going with. You pregnant?
You say, oh, tired you see what we get from
Yeah, hook you up, man.
Oh, man.
You know, so we don't have to come see you first.
I'm not bad.
And you're my first come see.
Oh, I don't see me this week. Don't know what here.
A big star, you know? As you see him there, so we say we come sleep. Listen.
Oh my God.
You're the part with your light.
You're not easy neither. You think you're easy.
You know what world I wait for you?
No, I'm going good morning. What do you do?
You know what world I wait for Steve?
No, man.
What
a bad. Yeah.
You see a security guard there.
Oh, I'm very good.
So what you trying
How
to
you
do?
going to turn of their work?
How you feel?
I'm okay.
You happy to see me?
Oh my God, I can't wait. Why you come so late?
You know with us.
Here.
That is Elvis. That is Ian we call him.
From Manchester?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is Fairfield Mountain, Good Life crew in Manchester.
Massa.
So we are expanding now.
But them they don't be careful.
So let me tell you something. She's the first one we meet in Jamaica Good Life.
Oh my
So
God.
she's really the first one. Isn't
My
it?
name is Pokey.
Her name is Pokey.
Hi,
She's famous
Pokey.
all over the world.
Big up yourself.
She's the original
I don't
star.
like this, you know, this
This
is
is
bad.
bad
You
this year.
find somebody when you walk in camera.
Now take you out for you.
You're too mixed up. You're too mixed up.
We can't manage you. You
Mm-hmm.
don't really find, you know, me down there and they listen out for you, but me know when you reach it, you know, feel it.
You know something have to come here.
Hey.
So Trusty tell me, say they're mad at me.
Man.
You mad at me? You mad at me too?
No, because me talk all the while.
Ah,
And
you
I
hear
know
that?
what is right.
You know, say me have to come
Yeah,
and
man.
you see me expanding all through
I told me boy
Jamaica.
foot my hand, make me no catch a Manchester.
Am I right?
Come in yesterday come in.
Mm-hmm. We have visited the world for season 2.
Oh my God,
And when are
can't
we
wait.
going to the river?
Where they plan?
Alright, we talk tomorrow.
We go work tomorrow.
Yeah, but we'll come see you. Then after that, I'll go to your house. I want to go to your house.
I'm going to sign over.
Yeah.
Oh my God, they will want me.
Why is that?
They want a lot of fixing.
Fixing?
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry, the people them will fix it for you.
Worry yourself.
Why
Boy, you get somebody for walk the camera. Master, why you really want somebody if you walk the camera?
No.
Mama, so which one everybody go on me?
Which one you
The
want?
healing water I want.
How far that is?
That in a way now. How you find that again, Blacks?
Which one I ever?
You want to heal?
Boy, I know if you
That's not Milk River.
I know if you are here, you know.
Something like that. Me don't check out anyway I make you know.
Mm-hmm.
That river
So
more.
you
You
do, you alright?
can't, you can't go
Yeah,
around and
give
keep
God
the
thanks I'm
cave,
still alive.
the cave, the rolling river.
Rolling the van, the show, get used to that. Where you park? Over in next side.
Right over there, so. The red car.
So, round so alright for you. I mean, called you, Walter now ask him about the road.
Mm-hmm.
You
You
say,
see, don't worry, we're going to sleep on Pokey floor.
eh?
Are you son now?
You want to come for the gate?
How you doing,
Come here,
son?
Ricardo. So, we can I come in here? No, that's this version. You come here. So, Rondie, more time than this, when you want somebody to walk with you. You really want somebody to walk up with you. You go out and buy.
See there, legendary, like Bob Marley, the Pokey captain. See there, I start the thing, whole world, make you sure no see it. I hate that, you know, Bob Marley have a little VW, Pokey have a cart. And this is the famous Pokey cart. This is how it all got started. And then she got famous, you see? Because one day, the story goes like this, I saw this lady pushing a cart. And I said, hey little lady, you're pushing the cart. And she said, hey big guy, I'm pushing the cart. And the wheels were very small.
See me in the
So then we changed the wheel them up on the world and said, wow, look at that big guy pushing that little lady cart. And that's how it all started. Jamaica Good Life. See him? Him. And the first person we meet at the pork stand. Legendary Pokey. And from this the love all over Jamaica. You see me?
Spread the love.
People calling from all, not man kind of work today.
Me I say cool.
But you want one lady when call me if you do about 2.5 chicken for her, but she changed her mind. You know.
So this card here signifies working together, love, and many people in America kept supporting her.
Man, for real,
and them keep
for real.
them
Same way, man. Right now, me want white
Love
man to
and
come down
unity,
April.
and they call me unity.
So you want me if you do business, so.
him like
that
you.
way, yeah.
Him like you.
Businessman.
Businessman, serious.
Yeah, man, serious businessman, but you know, I don't know how far I can take it.
What do you mean you don't know how far you can
They're
take it?
gonna try, Randy. They're gonna
What do you mean
try.
gonna try? We not try nothing we do, you know. We not to try anything, you know. We're ready to ride the cat and push it out.
You're going tomorrow, you come push it out tomorrow.
Tomorrow, what
See,
time?
you get 2 cameramen, you have to work. By say 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock?
Everything in place already.
Alright, we're going to push out 11
Chicken there,
o'clock.
pork there, everything there.
Eh?
Everything.
So we'll never start with Pokey, you know. Make us know that bread and chicken to
I roast breadfruit.
a roast breadfruit.
Oh.
So I'm going to sit down.
Master gonna push it up, see angle.
So how am I going to push it? Me push it like this?
No, see me like how you push the next one.
Me from push on the back now.
That is the steering, Randy, so you're gonna push the head down there. You understand?
So
Let me show
everybody
you.
have to
Let me show you.
come to Jamaica for the push cat. You know?
Yes, let's
Sure. Oh, okay. And then you steer it from yourself. Oh, yes.
much easier. Cause man no believe how me want it, you know, cause me want it to ride. So that's why I'm making put on this.
Here? Come in, know, so you're still there. No, them a star, you know.
Yeah, me say start from the one.
Hold on.
You see the star on the one, you
I
know,
know
see the
mine,
star on the
yeah.
one. There.
Started by you. I don't mind it.
Everybody a star, you know.
Oh my God.
Yeah, see
So
them?
Randy, when you say do up, so now you start sitting up there?
That's Fairfield Mountain. Them a do a show with everybody over there.
Nice to meet you, Pokey.
That's Pokey meeting Elvis. Oh, God.
Yes, sir.
This is
Tomorrow.
Iron.
May I work tomorrow?
You can help me cook your pork and
May
yeah.
I work tomorrow?
So we'll come early, you know.
Alright, anything you gonna say? Yeah,
No, so
man,
this
everything,
is Fairfield Mountain crew. Then I go St. Mary build a new crew. And I go through. So that's why it takes so long.
Read yourself.
And the bar they late. And the car where we're supposed to get, we never get it. And then some accident happen, we have to go to the hospital.
Oh my God.
Then we have
Nobody no get nothing.
we have 3 days at the party, we have to go to the party. Then we get lost up in the mountain sometime, everything they work out. And then we go with Baba, we go bush with Baba. The first group go bush with Baba. Tick sketch one of them. You never did?
You mash him up?
Mash him up. And then other good life member, Chubby, him sick now. One sick, one did sick, one drop in a bath and trip out shoulder, hospital, barrel late, everything, you know, but we pushed through, we did a lot of interviews, we established a whole new crew, and now you can go Mandeville and have a place for stay.
Man, you're going bad up there.
You see?
Me mind, me tell you say, me say man, I train you know, you me not get to come. Oh God, man.
And next year, we're not going to come by a star now, you know.
Yeah, right.
So we love you, so we love you. I cook food to rat. When I jerk chicken, we are roast cow. Yo, my lad. Take care of yourself.
We don't have life.
God, yeah, man. No, man. We have to deal with it. Pokey don't say nothing, you know. A life, man. So, everything is everything. We're glad to see you. I'm glad to meet you. So the fans them can see. Are you still happy?
Why? All the while, all of me sick. Still alive. So me sick. I can't talk to so go on, man. Yeah.
What's yourself?
We are same place around Miss Porter.
Nice one, that's one. See her there.
Yes,
Go on.
Biggest in the world. Best in town. Best in town. Most beautiful woman around.
They know the amount of people that look for me.
What do you mean? For this season here?
Of course.
What them say?
When nobody want to work and do chicken like me. Number one, they not season it properly. That's first thing.
So
I mean, I see nothing put on for soap.
when you now work, them just upset.
My God, what question me have to answer when me go on road with me in there?
Alright, Elvis, go eat your food, man. You look tired.
That's the Pokemon. Pokey make you can't eat your food.
You go. We and the man in a black car.
So, Blacker, are you protect her?
Yeah, you know everywhere still, you know.
Yeah.
Right and around.
Eh. For how much years you protect
So me
Pokey?
Maybe, I good one, no. Me and him used to work out on construction.
So basically, anybody will come at the yard and think you owe that.
Black car. We answer to black car.
In a ABC R1, 2, 3.
Answer.
Boring. Answer to me. That's what I mean.
Why? You call Van already?
Yeah, man, we gonna meet Python.
Oh.
We're gonna meet him. And
You see him? You see him shining?
did you like the fun him?
Eh? Then you don't know, say I done to one. What do you want? Boss, I will check your first.
Yes. We have to check everybody first.
So what you say, place around this alive? Rondie down me yard right now, stay there. I'm going to start some in PC house and miss some in the do it. When the baba and we for the money, you say, you don't go to the hotel. That me I tell you. What? The man in two video man, the master, have done, I didn't get somebody if you walk it here. You get somebody if you walk it here. I know it can't go walk. I know if you don't laugh. Eh? Alright, sir.
Alright, later.
I sit near the pan.
Yeah, man, they're sitting.
So when I kind of pan sitting, you know, a bad boy. Rondie man, oh God. And a bad.
Oh, yeah,
No,
make
sir.
hey, go get Pokey shoes. Come.
You see a night?
Night, me no care. Hey, pop the trunk. Dog, watch yourself. You're too nervous.
So where's the Rondie ticks making people is somebody in the past?
No, not really not. Ah, look at Pokey, we bring shoes for you straight out of the back of the car. Boom, Pokey a superstar. Touch it.
Man, let me see if it can fit me. I'm put me head in Rondie.
Get the right
I say
size for you. You
wow. I love it, I love it, I love it.
She said Pokey love the shoes.
My
Put on the
God.
shoes in the night. Put on the shoes in the night. But the
I
video
will tell you
light.
tomorrow.
Whoa, aye.
Oh
Lord
my God.
A perfect fit.
Jamaica good life.
Jamaica good life.
You couldn't make it right up and this.
No, you say you want black, me get you black. Yes, it's nice, right?
Yes.
And it's cushion for your foot so you can
Yes,
walk.
it's soft. Oh God, I'm going to think you can't take no weather.
What you
I
mean?
mean, if you ask if I have Kitana that.
This is Kitana.
This can't take weather neither. The top.
This
What?
is for Kitana.
Pokey
So
dark
keep to her for me, okay?
That's how you give me yourself. Let me see.
So may I keep it when I come tomorrow?
You come in, soon come.
You soon come from?
Work. Mobile in
Alright.
there work.
All the way I'm up here?
Calling center.
Yeah? Oh, so she take the bus come home. Yeah, man, Pokey did rough around some man. Me have to do, you know.
That's true.
You see me say?
But me say, I can't believe you thought sitting up there in a car.
Talk what?
Do you touch your house?
Which part?
Manchester?
No, we're not talking nothing. I just say, my face start expand the show now. Because the whole Jamaica good life.
Guess who here? Guess who here? Rondie. See me here.
Hey, Kitana. Your mother no want me to leave your sneakers with her. Yeah, man, I'm there in front of your house.
Alright, me there, you know what taxi will come down, you know.
Oh,
How
good,
far?
good,
How far
good.
are
How
they?
far are you?
Me there, Lucy, man.
Ooh, Lucy.
I come down from Kitchener.
Alright, man, go give your mother the sneakers. We see you tomorrow.
So me now go see you.
No, me come see you. Me come by. In the morning, we coming by.
Me love you.
What time you leave for work?
I have work tomorrow.
What time you leave work?
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, man, we see you soon. Yeah, man, right run your yard. Me there your yard.
Alright, me just on my way.
Okay, then.
Oh my God, Rondie nice. God no.
Jamaica people send money and me buy it with their money.
I'll get up early and cook a man.
No problem, man. You're welcome. The sweater, no worry about it, man. No worry about it. You see, no watch nothing. Alright? Good, good. Are you son this? Because I can free that camera, I now put him on it, you know. You leave him alone, you see me?
When they do, they hide. First thing they duck back out black.
I hide, man. Him know. Him know want to go international.
So you don't see big one.
The big one they don't
One
do?
big man in there.
Eh?
21-year-old.
How much?
Sunday.
2 son. I know that, man. So Pokey, may I go run, you know? May I go exercise? May I go to the beach? Get your bikini ready.
No.
See you later. Tomorrow morning early. What you make for breakfast? Roast breadfruit and fried breadfruit. Eh? We're going to fry the breadfruit with Aki, okay? We'll come at your yard for breakfast, yeah?
Alright.
Love, peace, harmony, the whole world. I bring a camera for you, I bring a GoPro for you. My lad, take care, alright?
Yeah.
Watching yourself, no lock up.
Yes, brother.
Love.
Yeah, you want.
Soon morning, 9 o'clock sharp, breakfast.